Can protein shield you from diabetes? Discover how. Hello, everyone. Protein is your secret weapon against type 2 diabetes. A diet rich in healthy, low glycemic, low saturated fat proteins stabilizes blood sugar, boosts insulin sensitivity, and controls weight. Here are 5 expert-recommended protein sources to keep diabetes at bay. First, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines pack omega-3s, reducing inflammation and improving insulin sensitivity. Eat them grilled or steamed 2 to 3 times weekly. Second, lentils and chickpeas loaded with plant-based protein and fiber slow sugar absorption and aid weight control. Add them to soups or salads. Third, skinless chicken and turkey are lean proteins that fuel you without harmful fats. Bake or boil to keep it healthy. Fourth, quinoa, a complete protein with all essential amino acids, has magnesium to enhance insulin function. Swap it for rice or use in salads. Fifth, eggs, rich in choline, keep you full longer, helping weight management. Boil or cook with olive oil, 3 to 4 weekly. These proteins stabilize blood sugar, reduce visceral fat, and support digestion with plant-based fiber. Netizens rave, quinoa salads changed my health. Curious which protein suits you best? Comment below. Like and subscribe. Thank you all.